Welcome to Popsicle Seer, where we discuss spiritual guidance, consciousness, and energy frequency. Today we will talk about how to use your energy to make your next decision moving forward positively. Collective, your subconscious mind is very powerful, but equally dangerous if you have been operating in a certain negative mindset. Unknowingly, you may have self-sabotaged any chances of having a great life simply by staying stuck in one position. Due to fear or lack mindset, you don't think you may be worthy of something great. Unfortunately, the subconscious mind all this time has been storing all of these memories, both negative and positive, the negative ones causing you more and more issues. I use the analogy of a computer virus. We have not been managing our emotions effectively. One day, it blows up in our faces in the form of a crisis, or in the spiritual world, tower moments, foundations come crashing down. So let's work on this. This is relating to something that has been on your mind and feeling confused or simply not happy about. Obviously, this particular thing does not make you feel good. Here is a quick exercise using this internal mindful self-talk dialogue conversation. Your subconscious mind can bring these issues to the forefront to address fairly quickly. Fill in your answers in the most honest way, like having a heart-to-heart chat with you and your best friend. So here is an example. About my current job. Ask yourself this. Me, how do I feel staying in this job? My answer, not very good. In fact, I feel stressed, anxious, and having sleepless nights worrying about all sorts of things with my job and my future. Clearly, I don't feel good and feel totally stressed. The energy is very low, and I feel tired all the time. Next question. Me, if I stay, will I feel good hoping things will change? My answer, no. It hasn't changed, or not very likely. There is nothing new and good to keep me there. My boss doesn't support me, the environment and morale are very low. Here is the second confirmation about your situation. Final question. Me, how do I feel exploring my options somewhere else right now? My answer, I feel absolutely great and excited about looking at new opportunities. I want to do something new. I suppose I always have an option to go somewhere else. I can't wait to explore them, maybe even working for myself. I owe it myself to have a new job that I love. I am so glad I have this self-talk. It's been a while. I feel like I have just skydived into a place where I had always wanted to go but was afraid to do that. Your energy level has just shifted, elevated as you made up your mind about your next move. You set the wheels in motion. You are a very powerful being, and by simply working with your energy, you receive them and change the course or trajectory. All you have to do now is to be honest with yourself, to commit to really making that decision and moving forward. Thank yourself and be very proud you did it. You can apply these questions to anything else in your life, like relationships, personal goals, etc. I hope you enjoyed this video and found the exercise very helpful. Please like and consider subscribing for updates of more regular content. Thanks for watching.